Is your WhatsApp not working on your iPhone? Well, don't worry. In this advanced video, I'll show you how you can solve this WhatsApp not working issue on your iPhone. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up Settings, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. If you can't find the WhatsApp app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Update the WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon from below. Type WhatsApp. Now tap on the WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you see any updates available for WhatsApp, then update the app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset all settings again. After resetting all settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope it works. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, then please write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.